Bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley B. Deck. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I've teamed up with Beautyforever and they sent me this gorgeous 13x4 lace wig. She has a free part lace, which means you can part anywhere you like. She has a pre-everything cap construction, so you have your pre-cut lace, pre-bleach knots, and pre-plucked hairline. Everything you need, and then the icing on the cake is she does include that drawstring in the back. Headed to Great Wolf Lodge to celebrate my son. We're gonna have a quick little staycation just to have some fun, but I'm super happy that I chose this wig specifically because we're going to the water park. I'm not going to be getting on any water slides, but I still want to make sure that in case that wave pool goes a little bit crazy, I'm intact. This one also has the wig tape, ear tape attached on the side, so I think I'm good to go for the water park. I will check back with you guys if I'm not, but I think I'm good. So I'm gonna go ahead and head to the water park in real time, but I'm also gonna go ahead and set you guys up with a tutorial. So if you want to see how we got this look, let's get started. And that is pretty much it. I have to get out of here and go and get my kids so we can get to the water park. But before we go, let's go ahead and look at the packaging. When you receive your wig and you take it out of shipping and handling, you'll be greeted with this beautiful. Today we are rocking a gorgeous wig from Beautyforever, and this is her. Today's my son's birthday. I'm headed to Great Wolf Lodge so that we can celebrate as a family. And I told myself I was going to put my hair in like some Jada Waiter braids, basically some large knotless braids, just 4 or 5, just so that I could get in the pool and do all of the things and not worry about a wig. Did I do that? No. So what am I going to do? My favorite texture to get wet in? Water wave. So that is what we're doing. I have like negative 10 minutes to go ahead and get this done because I'm already supposed to be headed there. But this is a pre-everything wig, so it's going to come in clutch, pre-plucked lip, pre-bleach knots, pre-plucked lace, and pre-plucked lace with that beautiful scallop cut, pre-plucked hairline, and you can see how beautiful and gradient it is, and then pre-bleach knots. When you flip it over, this is a free part lace frontal. Frontal meaning you have parting space from ear to ear. Free part meaning there is no restrictions. You know, sometimes the cap will come up on the sides, so it'll say frontal, but it's kind of like a closure with a little bit of edges on the side. No, this is a complete free part, so you'll be able to do as you please. And the bonus is that they did add the wig tape at the ends. As I said, I am going to be getting the pool. I'm not doing any water slides by any means, but this is going to help me to make sure my hair or my wig don't slip back in the wave pool and all of the things. The texture is fire, which I think I already showed you guys. This one also has the adjustable elastic band, so I'm going to be adjusting it a lot just so it can stay on this entire time. And then we also have a little extra help at the nape, a large comb, adjustable straps, as well as a drawstring. This here in this pool all night, all day is going to be my lifesaver in keeping. Okay, so this is what she looks like on. I adjusted the strap, the elastic band, a little bit more than I normally do. So if it's too tight, I will be able to get that. But again, we're going to a water park. We don't have no time to play. Again, I have to get out of here in a dash. So I'm completely out of my favorite spray. Let me see if I can get a little bit out. Oh my gosh. So I'm out of that. I'm going to get another one. But probably what I should use since I'm going to a water park is the Wonder Lace Bomb by Eben. And this is what it's looking like. Same thing on this side. Peel like this. Stick the ear tape, and I don't recommend you do this at home, but I did begin to go ahead and lift it because I personally don't like sideburns. So I'm just going to let you know, I'm going to cut mine out. I already lifted the tape off. I'm just going to cut them off. If you love those, keep them. You guys seen, I showed you guys how I bond them down, but I just don't like anything right here. And because I'm going to get in the water, I just want to keep it like everything behind the ears while I'm in the water. And so I've already, again, lifted it, tint the lace. Pack it in. Okay, she is absolutely gorgeous and we've done the work. She is super melted and laid in the front. Let me show you guys what she looks like from the back. Nice and long and full and fluffy. I love, love, love this texture. I'm gonna clip her up, and really quickly you'll see the drawstring. This here is the drawstring and it's not done, so I'm just gonna yank it or gently pull it, grab that stopper and just pull it up. And because we're going swimming today, I'm going to make it super duper tight. Once I get it as tight as I like, I kind of lift and tuck very easily. And at the same time that I tuck, I kind of grab and flip it over. And I pull it as low as I can get it and kind of like drive it into the bottom of my braids. Now it's not going to just like flip and flop in the back if I'm in the water or anything like that. It's like literally installed from the back, nice and full. And essentially we are done. I honestly don't really want to do much today because we are going to get in the pool, so I don't want to bombard this one with lots and lots of product. So I'm thinking we'll just take a little bit of serum, and if we don't like the way this looks, of course we can adjust. When it comes to serum, I like to go a little extra heavy on the ends, and this is a way of like livening up your unit and kind of just still rubbing your hands through it so you do get a nice little detangle going. And I'm going to do the same thing on the opposite side. A nice good amount. You want to make it even. If you just do the ends, you'll see it a little bit more shiny, like in spots. And you want the whole thing, including the back and the top and the front and the ends, all of it to just look and feel nice and full. Make sure you get that nape and underneath as well. And again, if your ends are super fluffy, just take like an extra pump or two and work it in there. And I like to also mix the serum with the water. But when you want to walk out and already have your hair like done and dry, like a lot of times if you go to a salon, if they do your install, a lot of times they'll just put a little something like a little leave-in, a little mousse, but not get it like super damp. And this is the look, love bugs. I love it like this. And again, if you find little spots where you want a little bit of water, like right here, I just want to wet it just a little bit and have it re-dry. Then also the ends are a place where I kind of want to mist it and hydrate it just a little bit, because again, you want to walk out the house with your hair not soaking wet, but you do want to kind of like hydrate it and have it look good. The product that we used today was the Aussie Miracle Curls, and this is a curl defining oil. So this is kind of meant for the wet curls and to help define them. You can go ahead and use your dimming brush, but I love the texture of this one. I don't think I need to alter it by any means. A beautiful girl she is. A flawless hairline we have. And just like that, love bugs, and just like that, we went ahead and switched up the look in no time. Absolutely gorgeous. It gives a little height and a little sassiness. I know Cowboy Carter tour kicked off this week. This is a perfect look. Add a little hair clip or just a jewel right here to give it a little bit more, you know, bedazzle and glam. And again, you're showing off that beautiful hairline as well. And even with a clip, you can do like a double decker. So I'm going to take my clip, my favorite clip that I keep right here, and clip it up. So when you pull it back, you already have some dimension with the bang, or the ponytail rather, and it's like tucked in the back. Something a little bit different and unique, but I love it. So there you have it. 2 simple and quick, easy styles. Now let's get back to the rest of the video.